Hello guys, we're gonna make some cheese today. So I have spoiled milk and I'm going to make a cheese. And right now I am boiling the milk. So I'm boiling the milk. I will make it boil and then put some vinegar, at least 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And this milk is almost the whole gallon and I don't want to waste the milk, so I decided to make some cheese. So right now it's boiling. You can put a little bit of salt to taste. It's boiling right now, so we're gonna turn down the heat to medium. And then we're gonna put the vinegar, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, or you can put some you can put the salt. I guess you can put some flavor if you want. This is, I'm making a sour cheese. That's why I put vinegar. So right now we are draining. We're draining. And then we gotta squeeze. We gotta squeeze the extra fluid so we can make some cheese. There's the cheese, and it's not ready yet because there's still have fluid in it, so we're gonna squeeze more and ta-da, we got cheese. Oh yeah guys, if you have milk, don't throw it away, just make some cheese. That's all you need to do, is just boil it and put a little bit of vinegar, or you can put some, actually you can put some flavors if you want. But this is it guys. It tastes like mozzarella cheese, or you can make some, you can put it on your salad. You can, you can make something out of it. And even you eat it by itself, it's good. Thank you guys for watching my cooking, cheese making. Here comes the cheese.